What's going on, y'all? Holman's Outdoor Solutions here, making up a truck bed of cedar mulch slash wood chips, but this is going to be bagged. I wanted a space to confine this in so I could bag it up, and yeah, about near got a whole entire truck bed load of this stuff, but got to make up 23 bags of this, and I'll be delivering them. So on to bagging. I guess I could sell a truck bed of this, blocking up the back window help. Nothing got damaged, so cool deal.